Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another styling service, but this is another high-end styling service that I decided to try out, and this one is called MM.Lafleur. I hope I have said that right. You guys know I'm bad at pronouncing things. MM.Lafleur, okay? So a lot of these styling services I found on Facebook. I get, they see what you're looking at, and so they tailor ads and stuff towards you. I'm a sucker, and they got me. And anyway, so I decided to try this styling service. Now, this is a high-end styling service, and it's more driven towards the career woman looking for clothing to wear to work. And a lot of us, we do have problems finding professional clothing to wear to work, and so I was definitely interested in trying this out for that reason, because I know I do have issues, especially around fall time, with fitting and things like that for professional clothing to wear to work. Alright, so let me tell you a little bit about MM.Lafleur. Not too much going on, okay? There is no styling fee. You get what is sent to you, what they call a bento box. So a bento box is just, after you answer some questions about your style profile and things like that, they'll of course send you a box of items that may fit your style, that they want you to try on, all that good stuff, right? So what I do like about MM.Lafleur is, first of all, UPS. I like that I can drop my stuff off at UPS. UPS is open by the time I get out of work, so I can forget about it, and then on my way home just do it and drop it off, and it's good, okay? So you can drop your returns off at a UPS store, or you can schedule UPS to come to your house and pick it up, just like with Trunk Club, okay? If you have not seen my Trunk Club video, I think I keep putting my wrong hand up in the area. Maybe it's this hand. Look up here, and you can see, or it might be this hand, whatever. Whichever hand is right, it will be over here, okay? So definitely check out that Trunk Club video if you want to see another high-end styling service. Anyway, so UPS, you can take your returns to the UPS store, or UPS can come back and pick it up. Another thing that I liked was they text me. And it was an auto text, right? One of those robotic texts, but it said, we know you got your box. Please text us any feedback you have about your box. We want to know what's going on pretty much with you and your box, and if you like your items, okay? I also received an email from the person who styled me. Her name is Ashley. And she sent me an email giving me details about the box, and wanted to make sure I got it, wanted to know if I opened it yet. It also included a date in that email as to the last date that I can go ahead and send back my returns, okay? But also in her email, she said to me, if the date that I provide you is too soon for you to make a decision, let me know and I can extend your trial period. Oh my God, do you know how happy that made me? Now, I'm on the go. I'm always on the go, and I'm tired, and sometimes I just forget about trying these things on, so then I'm rushing to try them on and of course get the videos out for you guys. So when she said that, I said, oh my God, a styling service that understands that I don't got time all the time to try this stuff on in 2 seconds and send it back the next day. So that made me feel really, really good. Those are all the details for it. Again, there is no styling fee. They just send you the box, and you keep what you want. Okay, so pretty simple, right? I'm so excited. I'm so excited, you guys, for this box. You have no idea. Here is the packing slip, prepaid packing, MM.Lafleur on there. You gotta know where it's gonna go, UPS, because it's saying right on the dang thing, okay? So here is this right here, okay? It's a little pamphlet for you, all right? Okay. It actually has a letter in here, Ashley. Hello, Ashley. I hope you're watching this. Hi, Jasmine. I enjoyed putting your box together, and I'm excited to work with you. We see the first bento as a starting point so that I can get to know your style, and how our clothes fit you. For this box, I've included a range of silhouettes to give you some different options to try. You can't go wrong with a sophisticated black base, so style your box around a few classic pieces you can use to create multiple outfits, a few ideas, and they give me some ideas for the outfits. You may notice these styles are unlined. It's an intentional design element. When our designers decide against lining a garment, it is to ensure machine washability or made from a luxury fabric that feels great against the skin. And of course, if you have any questions during your trial, shoot me an email. You can also text the styling team some photos if you'd like a second opinion on fit or styling. I am always here to help. Okay, and it has some of the prices of some of these things. Oh my God. Okay, so I don't know what these things look like yet, so we shall see. So let's get started with the little things first. So we have a belt right here. Okay, it's a Broadway mahogany belt. Nothing too spectacular. Let's open. I'm trying to open it up. All this stuff is so fancy. I don't even know if I want to open it. It's too fancy. Here we go. Here is the belt. Okay. It's in the size extra large. Nothing too spectacular about the belt. It is interesting because it does have a buckle, but it looks like you push this through and then you loop it through this piece right here. If I can even do it. There we go. Okay. So nothing too fantastic about that, but it is a very cute belt. I normally don't go for a cute belt like this because I'm kind of big. So I don't normally go for cute belts like that. But we'll see how that looks with all the items that is sent. The next thing, I guess this is some jewelry. It was sent in this nice little cute box right here. I love the boxes that have like the magnet closure. I think that's so cute. And let's see what this is. So there are some earrings, it looks like. Look at this little cute bag. To the T. Everything to the T. It's just so wrapped up, so fancy. You don't even want to touch this stuff, you know? So here are some earrings. And these are actually pretty cute because they touch on all the elements. Like they can match with anything. That's interesting. I like that. So I'm just going to pull out. Ooh, it feels really nice. I'm just going to pull out one. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Here's this earring right here, and it has gold. It got rose gold, and it has silver on it, so it touches all the elements. So you can wear this with literally anything. So I really like these earrings. So wow, I might decide to keep those. It's about to be my birthday. I'm getting something out this dang box. Okay, we'll see. All right. So the clothes. On to the clothes. So, the clothes are actually inside this Ziploc kind of bag. This bag is so cute. I don't know if I'm supposed to send the clothes back in this bag or not, but this bag is absolutely adorable. Okay, and everything is actually wrapped up in a bow. All right, so let's look at the first thing. Here is the shirt. Now, I couldn't see what she was going to send me. They just send you stuff, which is not a problem, okay? So here is this nice grayish, taupish kind of shirt. It has some, I guess some ruffles or whatever you want to call that in the front. And it's like it's dipped a little bit in the front, like a V-neck. Okay, really pretty. It's very thick feeling. So I definitely know I'll be warm in this when I'm going to work in the winter. So I'm excited to try that. That's going to be really good. This is, let's see what this is. Oh my God. This is gorgeous. Girl, do you know I love blazers and things like blazers that I could just put on a white tee or something? Oh my God. This is gorgeous. It's just a black blazer. It has no buttons or anything like that. It feels more so like sweater material though, but it's lined like it lays like a blazer. And in the back, it just has some whole detail in the back, but it's really light and subtle. Not too big of a deal, but this is gorgeous. And it feels nice and heavy. Not heavy in a bad way. Like I could walk outside in the wintertime and wear that and be warm, and it's good quality. It feels like it's really good quality. Like if you wash it or whatever it is, it's not going to shrink or get damaged in a wash. So I'm really excited for that. This box is very, very nice so far. I'm absolutely loving it. Oh wow, look at this. So here is this nice green, ooh, I'm flinging it all over the place. This nice green dress, this long sleeve. It has this nice belt on it. Now, I typically don't wear belts and stuff like that with it. It has pockets. It has pockets. It's so cute. Wow. It's really, really cute. And again, it feels nice and thick and sturdy and shouldn't get damaged when you wash it or whatever you're going to do with it. Here's another dress, okay? This is just a blue one. Oh my God, does this one have a pocket? Oh my God, this one has a pocket too. This dress is absolutely gorgeous. What do you wear with this? Like, I don't even know if I have any shoes that I could just wear with that. Like, it's so pretty. It's really, really, really pretty. I think this box is too good for me. What do you guys think so far? I'm really loving this stuff though. Oh wow. Ooh, this is nice and heavy feeling. Like, you don't even need a coat for this stuff. Okay, so this is really heavy feeling though. This is a nice sweater. It's actually very heavy, like heavy to hold up. It's really heavy. I don't know if I would like how heavy that is. Yeah, but it's nice. It's a nice cream color. I definitely wouldn't need no coat or anything with that. Whoa, that's really heavy. Like, it hurt my arm. Alright, let's see what this is. No bottom so far. Let's see what this is. These are some nice black pants. What size is this? 16? We'll see if the bot can fit in there. We'll see if my bot fits in there. But these are actually pretty cute as well. They're adorable. So they're just some nice black pants. Doesn't have buttons or anything like that. Is there a zipper on the side? Looks like that. No. Yeah, there's a zipper on the side. So we'll see how that works. That was really, really interesting. I actually like a lot of the pieces in that box. Very, very business professional, or it still has a business casual feel too, but very business oriented. I really like that. I don't really have a lot of clothes for the fall, at least, that is more so business attire or office attire. So I'm really interested in trying it for that effect. A lot of these things are a little bit heavy, so I don't know how it's going to feel on me, like when I put it on, but it does feel a little bit heavy. So we shall see. But let's go to the price. So the Foster pant, that's the black pants I just showed you guys, that's $195. The Broadway belt is $80. The belt itself is $80. That's not happening, okay? The Emily dress, which is the blue dress, is $165. The Wolf Jardigan, okay? So I think, oh, it's the jacket. That's the black one that looked like the blazer. That was $195. The Estuco dress, which is the green one, that's $195. The Morandi 2.0 sweater, that big, heavy sweater, that's $265. The new V 4.0 top in Rain Cloud is $145. So this is very expensive. I think this is actually, for this particular box, this is actually more expensive than the Trunk Club. And I think the Trunk Club was a high-end box too. I don't remember anything in Trunk Club being to the point of $260 or so. Although I love all these items in this box, we'll see how everything fits when I try it on. Maybe I can treat myself to one piece. We shall see. But if it is a piece that I would treat myself to, it would be that blazer. It's a lot of money though. There is a blazer. Now, there is not a discount for keeping anything. Okay, so there's not like what I told you guys with Stitch Fix. If you keep a certain amount of items, you'll get 25, or if you keep the whole box, excuse me, with Stitch Fix, if you keep the whole box, you get 25% off. There is no discount or anything on these items for this box, okay? Stay tuned for the try-on piece of this video. Okay, beauties, what do you think about this box? Do you like this? Do you not? Would you be considered to try it? If you are a career woman like me who likes to dress in business clothes, or business casual, or even business professional, this is definitely a box service for you. However, be warned, this stuff is expensive, but I can feel the quality of the clothes based on how they felt when I showed them to you while I was holding them. They are very good quality clothes that are going to last you. So this would be considered an investment. So definitely think about it if you want to get into this styling service and invest that money into these really high quality clothes that you can wear at work or after work and things like that. Okay, and yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If there is a link below to sign up for MM.Lafleur, if you are interested in it, it will definitely be below in the description box. Okay, so take advantage of that. If there's a discount or anything that you get from using that link, it will be in this section. Of course, it should be down below right now, actually, if you got this far in this video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel for new interesting content such as this. Hello to all the new subscribers. I see you. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, rocking out with me, commenting on my videos and things like that. And I will see you guys in my next video.